Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to charge your Android mobile phone with an iPhone charger. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the Android phone itself. We are using a Samsung Galaxy S5, yes, an S5. For this video, I will now bring that into the frame. So there is the S5 itself. We can turn it on. And we also need an iPhone charger. There is the power adapter. Yes. And we need a USB cable that will connect both together, and then we can charge the Android device itself. So, connect the cable to the mobile phone itself and then to the power adapter. That's one end connected. Now to the iPhone power brick. So this is USB 3. And now this needs to go in the plug for the charging to take place. And now the mobile phone itself has started to charge. We can see charging 41%. And so that's how you charge an Android device using Apple's power brick charger. That's for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now.